Welcome to this tutorial on how to use LinkedIn's Help Center. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just need a bit of help, the Help Center is a fantastic resource to get answers to your questions. Finding help on LinkedIn is straightforward. Let's go through the steps together. First, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, click on the Meet icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Help. This will take you directly to the Help Center. At the top of the Help Center, you'll find a search bar. Type in keywords related to your issue. For example, if you need help with your profile, type Profile Help. You can also browse through popular topics and articles. These are categorized for easy navigation. Look for topics like account access, profile, jobs, and messaging. Once you find an article that seems to address your issue, click on it to read detailed instructions and solutions. These articles often include step-by-step guides, FAQs, and sometimes video tutorials. If you can't find the solution in the articles, you can contact LinkedIn support. Go to the Contact Us section, and you can either chat with a support representative or send an email. Here are a few tips to make the most out of LinkedIn's Help Center resources. Use specific keywords when searching. This helps in finding the most relevant articles quickly. Check the popular articles first as they often cover common issues and solutions. Follow the step-by-step guides provided in articles for detailed help. Thank you for watching. Visit LinkedIn's Help Center for more information.
Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.